In this video, we're covering everything Tesla announced at the 2025 shareholder event. New cars, new technology, new factories, and major updates, all in just 7 minutes. Tesla revealed the updated 2025 Cybertruck. It comes with a stronger frame, an extended battery range, and upgraded autopilot hardware. The biggest announcement was the Tesla Model 2, a $25,000 compact EV set to enter production in 2026. This could push Tesla deeper into the mass market segment. Tesla introduced its new 4680 Ultra cells, offering 30% more range and 20% faster charging. These batteries will power all upcoming models. Elon Musk announced that FSD V13 now runs fully on vision-only AI. The car can navigate in real time without relying on pre-mapped data. Tesla shared the first look at its new Gigafactory in Mexico, expected to become the world's fastest EV production facility. The Tesla Optimus humanoid robot now has near-human movement. A live demo showed walking, lifting objects, and maintaining balance. Tesla announced the Solar Roof 3.0, offering 15% better efficiency and 50% faster installation times. Elon Musk shared Tesla's 2025 goal, producing 3 million vehicles annually. Expansion speed has doubled compared to last year. And that's everything Tesla announced at the 2025 shareholder event. If you love EVs and future tech, make sure to subscribe for more updates.